Hello, how are you doing today? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 fruits you should never keep in the fridge. Storing them there can actually ruin their flavor, texture, and nutrients. And in some cases, it can even make them go bad faster. So, stay with me until the end, because you don't want to miss this. Before we start, I'd love to know something. When you get home from the grocery store, do you put everything straight into the fridge? Or do you let some fruits ripen on the counter first? And where are you watching from? Drop your answer in the comments. I love hearing how people handle this in different parts of the world. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. It tells YouTube you enjoy this kind of content and really helps the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe because I post new videos every week that you're going to love. Now here's something most people don't realize. Fruits are still alive after being harvested. Yes, they continue to breathe, ripen, and even adjust their internal chemistry using natural enzymes. The environment they're kept in can change how they taste, smell, and feel. When fruits with delicate membranes are exposed to cold temperatures, those membranes stiffen, disrupting the flow of water and nutrients. That's why some fruits turn mealy, lose their sweetness, or develop that weird, uneven texture. And when enzymes get confused by the cold, they can't properly produce those sweet aromas and juicy flavors we all love. Let's go through the 5 fruits you should never refrigerate. First, bananas. Bananas hate the cold. Below 55 digestion, around 13 degrees, their peels turn black, and the inside ripens unevenly. The texture becomes mushy and the flavor fades. Bananas are rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, and antioxidants like catechins. But the cold can deactivate some of these nutrients, so the best place to keep them, on the counter at room temperature. Once they're ripe and spotted, you can slow the ripening a bit by putting them in the fridge for no more than a day. But if you want to preserve them longer, slice and freeze them instead. Frozen bananas are perfect for smoothies, pancakes, or healthy ice cream. Second, papaya. Next up is papaya, another fruit that doesn't get along with the cold. When you refrigerate papaya, it can develop brown spots, uneven softening, and even mold. Papaya is loaded with vitamin C, carotenoids, and papain, an enzyme that helps digestion. But cold temperatures can destroy that enzyme and reduce the fruit's benefits. Keep papaya at room temperature until it's fully ripe. If you've already cut it, place it in the warmest section of your fridge and eat it within a day or two. Or better yet, cut it into cubes and freeze it. And here's a tip. Papaya is heat and time sensitive, so to get the most digestive benefits, enjoy your papaya right after cutting it. Third, avocado. Avocados are another big one. Cold temperatures can stop them from ripening and cause those brownish, rubbery patches inside. Has that ever happened to you? It's frustrating. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, vitamin K, and antioxidants, nutrients that keep your skin glowing and your heart strong. To protect all that goodness, let your avocados ripen on the counter. Once they're soft and ready, you can refrigerate them for up to 2 to 3 days. If you've already opened one, remove the peel, cut it into cubes, and store it in an airtight container or freeze it for later. Others, peaches and nectarines. These fruits have very delicate skins that are easily damaged by the cold. When refrigerated too early, peaches and nectarines can become dry, mealy, and lose that sweet aroma we love. They're rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which support your immune system and skin health, but these nutrients don't do well in the cold either. Let them ripen at room temperature first. Once they're fully ripe, you can refrigerate them for a day or two, but not longer. That short window helps them stay fresh without losing their flavor and texture. Now it's worth mentioning that some fruits actually prefer the fridge, especially those grown in cooler climates. These include berries, apples, grapes, kiwis, pears, and citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. They tend to last longer and maintain their nutrients better when kept cold. So how do you usually store your fruits? Do you keep everything in the fridge or let some ripen on the counter first? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your tips and learning from you too. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with someone who might be making these mistakes at home. It could save them a lot of wasted fruit. Always remember, for personalized health advice, talk to your doctor or nutritionist before making changes to your diet. If you'd like to keep learning, check out these videos next. If you eat raw garlic, watch this. Even 1 clove can change your life, and 12 foods that can quickly reverse fatty liver disease. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. I pray we all continue to be blessed with health and vitality. Let's keep taking care of our bodies together. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.